Honestly, I'm not as good as you. I feel like I'm alone these days. Will I begin? The stories on my mind, to see the empty space you left behind. Would you take my everything? Leave nothing behind. Well, but I don't know the end. Even if you tell me it's over, the book of you and I, but I'm